side of the road. If that is not practical, please make sure that they are held or are easily within your reach. Thank you. And as we get ready to leave the Susquehanna station, let's wave goodbye to Christine, our relief station master, and Christine, our radio station master. We have two Christines here right now. Excellent. Okay, well, as we move along, let me remind everyone that while the train's in motion, please remain seated, keeping your hands, legs, arms, feet, head inside the train. And please no eating, drinking, or smoking while on the train. And here is the Susquehanna Plantation Building. This was built in the early 1830s and was located in the Tidewaters of Maryland. It was a 700-acre plantation that grew wheat, corn, and tobacco. And here's the oldest American-made building. This is the Plimpton Home, this reddish building here, built in 1640 in South Sudbury, Massachusetts. And here's the Paris windmill, the oldest windmill in the USA, and that was built in the early 1600s. Built in 1750. Now on our left-hand side, you can see our newly constructed horse paddock area. And this is where our horses come after a day of pulling wagons and pulling plows here in the village. And this is where they have a chance to relax and prepare themselves for the next time they do have to come out and do some more work. Now, the Edison locomotive that's pulling our train today was originally built sometime in the 1860s or 70s and was originally owned by Thomas Edison. In fact, he used this locomotive at his Peerless Cement Company in New Jersey, and then he sold it to Henry Ford and the Ford Motor Company in 1931. When Henry Ford got his hands on this locomotive, it was in pretty sad shape. So he had to take it over to the locomotive facility that he had at the Ford Rouge complex, and he told the boys there to make it look like an 1860s steam locomotive. And that's what they did. They refurbished it and made it look like something from the 1860s. And now I'm going to remain silent for the next few moments and let you enjoy the sights, sounds, and even the smells of the locomotive travel back in the late 1800s and early 1900s. Greenfield Village, and this is where we have an 11-acre wetlands restoration area. And if you can see through the vegetation on the right, you'd notice that we do have the Rouge River down there, and it has natural river banks. Now, I say that because not too far from where we are, the Rouge River has cement river banks, and that was done in order to provide some means of flood control. But over here, it's all natural. And we do have a small herd of white-tailed deer in this area, along with wild turkeys, raccoons, possums, and even some skunks. It's our wildlife habitat area. And right here on our left-hand side is the Walnut Grove. This is our summer event field. And this is where we have such activities as summer baseball games played by our historic baseball team, the Lottie Dawes. But today and tomorrow, this field was turned into an area for competition among our old car drivers here. Gave them a chance to display their driving skills while driving their old vehicles. Competition is now over for the day, but it will take place again tomorrow. Now, this building on our left-hand side is the Henry Ford Academy. This is a public charter school that's open to students in Wayne County, Michigan. And students are selected for the Academy by lottery. Now, when school is in session, we have about 500 students who attend. Grades 9 through 12. All the 9th graders have their classes at the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation. 11th, 10th, 11th, and 12th graders have their classes over here. Now, the 12th graders have a special setup. They have their classes in these Pullman cars. These cars have been converted into classroom, and they're used by our senior class. Side is the Swanee Lagoon. And the lagoon is a catch basin for water overflow here in the village. And the water level is fairly high because of the rains that we've been getting as of late. And this lagoon is also a popular spot among our feathered friends. Our ducks and geese like to swim in there. And we also have a large turtle population. In fact, we have one turtle, a snapping turtle at that, that's as large as a garbage can lid. And we call him Godzilla. I don't think I want to put my feet in the water over here. You never know when Godzilla might come back. Alright, now at the top of the hill on the left-hand side is the Martha Mary Chapel, a popular wedding destination here. We have between 10 and 100 and 200 weddings a year in there. It's named after Martha Bryant, Henry-Ford's mother-in-law, and his mother, Mary Ford. And we're now passing the Taste of History. This is a cafeteria-style restaurant. Great place to go for lunch or for snacks throughout the day. They'll be open until 9 o'clock this evening. Now, the large white building over here is the Eagle Tavern. That's our premier dining establishment. And they have a special menu this weekend in honor of Old Car Festival. And they, too, are open until 9 o'clock. The Eagle Tavern was originally a stagecoach stop on the run between Detroit and Chicago. It was located in Clinton, Michigan. In fact, it was originally known as the Clinton Inn. We're now coming up to the train station. We'll be stopping here for about a 4-minute stop. And this is our jumping off point for Liberty Craft Works, Railroad Junction, and Main Street.
Lunch area over there.
We're going to get off here.
And I ask that you please remain seated until you hear the sound of the whistle. That will indicate that the engineer has applied the air brakes and it's safe to stand up and exit on the left-hand side.
Probably. But I think this is closer to that area.
And this is also the area where we have some 1919 vehicles all the way up to the 1921.
Okay then.
All right. And it's